Hello, this is Eric Moser with the Vacation Clearinghouse and Exchange, and for this tutorial, I'm going to do a brief review of how to get up to 50% off of attractions or excursions when you go to particular destinations. So let's do this. You see the menu item here: hotels, cruises, cars. Once you get logged in, go over to lifestyles for me. Now, when you get on lifestyles, you're going to have a drop down menu. You're going to see the activities, emergency travel services, golf, gift cards, restaurant savings. I'll be doing tutorials on all this, but for this specific tutorial, let's take a look at activities. So if you could go in here and hit activities for me. Once you hit activities, it's going to give you the ability to pick out what destination you're going to. Now, we don't have activities in all the destinations, but the majority of them, especially the ones that have a lot of excursions, we have a wealth of them. So, one place I always think of is Las Vegas. Las Vegas has a ton of shows, a ton of things to do once you get there. So, I like to go in and use this as an example. So, let's just pick the first week in August here and hit Las Vegas, and then I'm going to show you a few things. Now, once you get in here, you're going to see it's going to query the database and see what we're going to have available for that week. As of right now, we have over 468 activities found, and it's going to be everything. And you can sort them from low to high price, ratings, the names in alphabetical order. But you can see as you flip through here, it's going to be shows, supercar racing, helicopters, just everything you can possibly think of when you go to Vegas, and probably a lot of stuff that you never even thought of. So it's definitely a good guide to see what's available out there. So do me a favor, just go right here and let's go to Madame Tussauds Las Vegas with gondola ride, lunch and dinner. Click that for me if you don't mind. And what you're going to see when you get in here, it's going to give it a rating. You're going to have 422 reviews. It's going to show you how long the attraction is and what the maximum number of travelers are going to be. Then it's going to give you a description of everything down here of what to expect. Terms of use. Do me a favor. Let's go over here and we pick the first week in August. So let's say we're going to go on that Saturday. And we're going to take up to 2 travelers with us. Let's check the availability. Now you see here that you're going to save $24 for 2 travelers on this. Now this is actually pricing out, I believe this is pricing out 2 travelers. So it's going to savings of $24, which is about 20% on this particular attraction. Now think about that. If you would have had 5 travelers, 10 travelers, these savings can be quite significant. You can save hundreds of dollars just by using this on your excursions. And typically between your resort and your attractions, that's the primary parts of your budget that you're going to be spending. So, and we're going to get into the restaurants in a different tutorial, but you can see here you're going to save $24. It's $126. You can go actually right here right now and book this attraction. So once you book it, they'll have it at will call, or they'll send you an electronic ticket. So special requirements, if there's any handicap, anything like that, and then you can proceed straight to your checkout. So say for instance you had somebody that was in a wheelchair, you'd want to put that in special requirements right there, and then you'd want to click on proceed to checkout. Now when you get to the checkout, you're going to see here you have 10 minutes to complete this booking. It's going to have a full disclosure of everything that your cost is, and when you book it, it's done. You've actually got that reserved. Your ride's reserved for when you get there. You're going to get electronic tickets or whatever in the disclosure statements, or there's going to be a will call waiting for you when you get there. So that's just a real quick overview of how the attractions work. There are hundreds. Actually, I think we have over 20,000 attractions in the system in over 1,000 different cities. So it's a great way to pre-plan, save money, and already have kind of your schedule itinerary ready when you get to your destination. So once you're there, you're not wasting time trying to set all this stuff up.